Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be regassing the aircon on this Mitsubishi Carisma Lancer. So we're going to do it step by step. So to start off with, what we're going to do is we're going to start the car up, and we're going to put the temperature to the cold. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the fan on to full. And also what we're going to do is we're going to press the aircon button here. Okay, so the reason we are regassing is that the aircon is not producing cold air into the cabin, so that's the reason why we're going to refill it, regas it. So we're just going to go into the engine compartment to start the main procedure. So we're going to leave the car running, leave the fan on full speed with the aircon on. Okay, make sure that it's set on cold air. So we've got the kit here, just gonna show you the kit. So we've got the AC Pro kit which we're gonna use, which says that it's got the advanced additives package, provides cold air fast, and it seals the leaks as well. So if there are any leaks in the aircon, it fixes that as well. So this kit with the dispenser, we've got it from our local shop for £70, and on this canister it says that it's R134A compatible. So that is perfectly fine for the cars built after 1990. And on this canister it says that once you give the bottle back, you get the £10 back. Okay, so just gonna go into the engine compartment to start the main procedure. So we've got two connectors. So there is one which is a high pressure pipe, and the other one is the low pressure. So we're not gonna refill the high pressure pipe which is here. Okay, so instead we're gonna go for the thick pipe which is here. Okay, so we're gonna refill it from this point. So you're just gonna take the cap off. Okay, gonna leave it here. So just gonna show you the difference between both. One of them is not gonna allow you to refill from this point because the connector is too big. So it's this connector here where we're gonna fill the system from. Okay, so always do it on the thick pipe. Okay, you can chase it up all the way. See the, so you got that's the low pressure pipe. This is the high pressure pipe. Okay, so we'll do the refilling from the low pressure. So before doing that, also make sure that you read the information about the aircon regassing requirement. We're gonna pull this trigger, push it down. There we go. That's our connector. The dispenser connector is fitted nicely onto the refiller pipe. You can see the display is on low, so we're just gonna fill up the system. So it should go to the green, which says filled. Okay. shake the bottle a bit. There we go. We are nearly into the green area, which starts from 25 psi. Nearly there. So we're gonna take the needle all the way in between 25 and 40, so around about 35 be the best point to fill up the system to 35 psi. Just gonna shake the bottle a bit. Right, there we go, friends. This is good enough. This is about 30 psi, and we're just going to leave it as it is. So that is the refilling procedure completed. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to release this connector from here. So we're just going to place the, just going to scale the cap. Thank you very much for watching.